Okay, let's go.
All right. Hello, everyone. We have a fabulous unboxing today. We got some items from auction, and now we're going to see what's in the box. There's packaging in the box. I take this home for my cats. They love it. Let's see, what is this first thing? We've got 2 packages in here. I'm gonna move that. Oh, I know what this one is. We'll start with this one. Oh boy. Okay, another layer of bubble wrap.
Better safe than sorry, right?
Yes. They always do a very good job at this auction house of packing up everything safely. I'm very excited about this.
Next time we should place bets on how many layers of bubble tape is going to be.
That's a great idea because we're not done yet, folks. We're almost there. I don't know, I think. Because this looks a lot bigger than what I thought it was going to be, but that might be just all the layers. Yeah. Yeah, this is more like the size I thought it was going to be.
Ooh.
So this is a red earthenware pitcher, possibly a creamer, but it's a little big for that. And it has some nice manganese decoration on it. And if you can see that, that says OTT for Ott. This was made by the potter named Ott from Frederick County, Maryland, in downtown Frederick, actually.
Almost local.
Yes. So we have no ceramics from Frederick County. So I'm very excited to add this to the collection.
That's weird because that's such an important part of the region.
It is, yeah, definitely is. And here is they sent along the newspaper clipping from when it was sold at auction in 2005. So this is wonderful. This I'll add to its provenance narrative so we know where it came from, how it got here.
Nice, they underlined it for us.
They did. This is great.
That's great. I love the primary sources when they come with objects.
Absolutely. So this is a fun thing. We'll probably get it
The coloring shows up so well on camera. That like really lovely green and almost like orange, brown.
It's really beautiful.
It's great.
It's a great handle. It is cute.
It's a cute little, it's a pitcher?
Yes. Okay. So let's see the next thing. I mean, I know what it is.
Is this a home base plate? It's got such a distinctive shape.
Oh,
it's
okay.
like that.
Yes, it's home base. That's baseball. Well, this has some layers as well.
Seems pretty lightweight.
It is.
I never know I try not to actively know what's coming in the packages because it's fun to be surprised. It's a Superman logo.
Yes,
from
you're right.
1941.
This is wonderful. I'm so excited about this piece. So since I know what it is, I'm going to put gloves on now.
Nice. Smart.
Because it is metal.
Oh my goodness.
Don't you just love it?
Can you hold up so we can see the rivets against the lighter wall there? Whoa.
So this is a punch tin cheese strainer. So farmer's cheese, that sort of thing, would be put in here, in a cheesecloth, and allow all the whey to come out of it to harden up the cheese as it was forming. It has these little feet on it to hold it up so the liquid can come out of it. And we have nothing like this. And lots of farmers made their own cheese in their homes. So this is going to be an exciting thing. And see, this is original to it. It would hang up in the kitchen.
Storage, yeah.
But this heart shape and these patterns are so very Pennsylvania German. And we don't have a lot of...
They look like quilt patterns.
Yeah. It goes on everything. You'll see it on furniture, on frock doors, and even on ceramics too. But we don't have anything like this. So I am a cheese person. I love cheese. So I really like that we're getting some more cheese-related items into the collection. Oh, it's so pretty. It's in great shape. It's got a little rivet in there.
Oh, yeah, look at that craftsmanship. Very nice. I feel a Valentine's Day mini exhibit coming.
Yeah. National Cheese Day post is what came to my mind first, but yeah, Valentine's Day.
We'll start looking up some puns.
Yeah. Some cheesy puns.
All right.
The best
People
kind.
just turned off the video, Carrie.
Yeah. All right. Thank you for joining us.